Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about some funding mistake entrepreneurs should avoid if they want their business to be successful. Okay, let's jump right into it. Many businesses have failed not because the idea that they have is not a billion-dollar idea, but because of the funding mistake they made due to ignorance. Okay, so in this video today I'm going to tell you those funding mistakes that an entrepreneur should avoid in order to be successful. Okay, so guys, it can be very difficult to know how to go about seeking for a startup funding, right? Let me just break this thing down. This funding, I mean funding, F-U-N-D. This funding of a thing basically means like borrowing money or maybe getting money from wherever, but funding means something like money that you want to use to start up a business, if that makes sense. Okay, so it can be very difficult, trying to find the money that you want to use to fund your business, right? Especially if you are new in the business world, or maybe you're starting up the first time, or if you are trying to grow a business, it can be very difficult finding where to get the funding. Okay, but this is why I'm here. I got you. I'm going to tell you things you're going to do and how you're going to go about it so you do not make a mistake. Okay, that's what we're going to be talking about today. The first thing is lack of good business plan. I mean, how can you be starting a business without having a good business plan? Anyways, that's why we have this topic. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You don't just over the moon start up a business without, you're supposed to must have, written down how this business of yours is going to happen. Okay, lack of good business plan is one thing that you should try as much as possible to avoid. Okay, so guys, an accurate cash flow analysis is very important for an investor to take you seriously. Investors, I don't mean Sabinos. You guys know that comment. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I mean, if you have your accurate cash flow, let me just break it down for you. If you're trying to find get a fund for your business, right? Like, you cannot start a business today. You cannot say you are starting a business today and you're looking for fund. You have to start from somewhere, right? Before investors will come in to assist you. So you have to have an accurate cash flow analysis for them to see how you have been running this business for the past years or months, as the case may be. So what I'm trying to say here is that you have to have an accurate cash flow, yeah, so that your investors can take a chance on you, take you seriously, so they don't think that you're going to, in fact, they won't even try to help you. So guys, the second one is going into too much details. Okay, I mean, yeah, I just said that it is good to have a good business plan, right? But it's good to have a good business plan for investors to take a chance on you. I just say that, but at the same time, you don't have to talk too much. Okay, we still, like, if you have a way to conserve some things from them, just show them what they want to see, so you'll be able to get what you want from them. You don't have to come and say so much. Tell them how you lost how much million and the other year and the other year and other year. No, because nobody wants to put their funding in a risky business, right? So you have to tell them what they want to hear. Tell them what they want to hear. Okay, yeah. So guys, the next one is exploring only few funding options. Okay, I know it can be very overwhelming trying to explore all your funding options and stuff, but I mean, this is a very crucial part of your business, right? Whatever it takes, you have to put it in there. So you have to try all your options. Okay, so let me just give you typical options that people usually, like, you can, on top of your head, you can just remember that, oh, I can get a loan here, I can get a loan from there. First of all, you can go to the bank, because this is one of the things that they do, right? You can go there for a funding option. Of course, if you're going there, you have to go for it with your statement and how you've been running your business over the years. The next one is family and friend. Of course, people do ask for money here and there to fund their businesses, as the case may be. Okay, and the last but not the least, that I know that is very, very crucial also, is going to take the money that you have been saving for so long, your long time savings, you can go pull it out, because now is the time for you to use the money. You have done so well saving the money, okay, kudos to you. Now you have to put it into your business, so you have to explore all. Some people go as far as going to microfinance. There's people that loan money and stuff, but these ones that I just mentioned are the go-to. These are the ones that are most reliable, if I must say. Yeah. The next one is reaching out to investors without doing your research. No, you should not do that. Before you reach out to any investor, you have to do your research. You have to do your research, okay? Any investor or grants that you're trying to reach out to should be the ones that have, funded business like yours or something similar. You don't have to go to, anyway, this is what I'm saying. You have to do your research to see if these people are willing to even fund your business, or maybe if they have funded businesses like yours in the past. So this is because they are more likely to support your startup, because they are already familiar with what you're doing. They already know, because they already know what you are doing, and they can also serve as a mentor, helping you grow your business. So you should go for an organization that have already, funded business like yours or something similar. You get what I mean? Yeah. So guys, the next one is asking for too much money or too little money. So when seeking for startup funding, okay, you might be tempted to ask for too much money, okay, for you to be comfortable. However, if you finally get the amount of money that you actually ask for, it's going to make your business to lose the sense of urgency and also the drive a business needs to survive. It's just like now asking for 10 million naira for your business, right? Like, this is how much I've estimated that it's going to make you feel comfortable, and you stock up your shop and stuff. Like, you're not going to even hustle very hard. You will just be like, if you sell, if you did not sell, whatever. But if you're asking for 10 million and you were giving like 5M, I mean, you have to, hustle, like call customer, like, meet up with your 10 million yourself, meet up with the other 5 million for you to balance. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so it's better if you're asking, don't go and ask for so much money for you to be too comfortable not to hustle. Remember, the goal, the main blood of business is to sell, because even if you have business and you're not selling, you're not in business, my dear. So the best thing is for you to don't ask for too much money, or don't ask for too little money, for you not to be able to move around. Okay, so guys, the last but not the least is getting swindled. You know what I'm talking about. Getting swindled. I mean, there are 419ers everywhere. Don't let yourself to be 419. Okay, if that funding opportunity seems so good to be true, my brother, my sister, run. Because, I mean, as you're trying to fund yourself, that's how all these scammers are trying to fund themselves as well. So don't go and be carried away because you are on, and maybe you are in so much pressure. You want to start this business, then you're out of your mind trying to, my dear, don't even. So guys, in conclusion, all these funding mistakes that I just list here might look so like, it might look so nothing. It might look, this is not a serious issue, right? Like, it might be something people overlook, but let me tell you, so many people many entrepreneurs get into this trap daily basis. Like, so please don't let yourself be one of those people, because I taught you, I told you, this is why I'm here. And again, I know that finding funds can be one of the most difficult things to do. I mean, people have to trust you before they can entrust their money to you, right? That is why you have to keep your record straight. You have to make them believe in you. You have to make them that you're turning over all the time, okay? Anyways, I have come to the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.